Hey guys, it's Katie and today I'm doing a college day in my life, so I'm going to take you around school and stuff. I am going to eat breakfast and then head to my first class, which is at 10:05, and I have a club meeting later today that I'm going to take you with, so yeah. So it's 9:02 and I leave at 9:15 usually, so I'm trying to find what to eat. Sometimes I eat yogurt, so I could do that, or I could eat like a Pop-Tart, which is, super healthy. Maybe I'll do yogurt. This is the yogurt that I'm going to eat, and I need a bowl. I'll just do like one of these. Why are these stuck together? There we go. And I need a spoon. Come on! Why is this so hard? Got it. So it's 9:07 and I'm going to wash my dishes because I like washing my dishes. And I grabbed this Belvita bar. And I'm also going to eat because, yogurt's not enough, I guess. And I have to fill up my water bottle before I go. Good enough. It's 9:15. I left right on time as always. I have like a 30-minute walk to the business school, so I'm gonna walk that and put in headphones. I feel like I'm always finding a new way to walk. I just cut through some bushes back there. Oops. I just want to find the fastest path, but I just don't think I know it yet. We did this farmer walk to the business school in 20 minutes last time, but I don't know how long it's gonna take me this time. So great news, I'm 3 minutes into this walk and I'm basically sweating already. This is my workout every single freaking day, so there's an update for you. Okay guys, the business school is right there. I'm so close. It's 9:34, so made pretty good time, but yeah, there it is, right there. So pretty. Look at this palace. Alright, so I made it to this business school. I'm kind of out of breath, not gonna lie. I have my class there and I have a couple minutes before I go in, so I'm gonna study for the quiz that I forgot we had. Okay, so I just printed out my paper and now I'm in Armstrong. Class is over. I have class at 2:50, so I'm gonna go do homework before me and my friend get lunch at 1. It's 4:15 and I'm done with classes, so I'm going to my boyfriend's now and I have a meeting at 6. Alright, Alright, so I'm back from a meeting and I just changed into comfier clothes. I'm probably gonna make dinner, go shower, do a little homework, and then sleep. But I'm going to finish the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more vlogs, just let me know and I'll see you all later. Bye.